Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nilofa here again with another video, and I warmly welcome you all to my channel Learn with Nilo. So in today's video I'll be talking about one of the basic concepts in mathematics, which is about finding out either a number is odd or even. So in this video I'll be talking about odd numbers and even numbers, then we'll write a program together just to find out either a number is odd or even. So before doing that, first let's know what is odd number or what are odd numbers or even numbers. Basically, odd numbers are the whole numbers that cannot be divided evenly by 2. Which means when we divide an odd number by 2, we'll always have a remainder of 1. For example, 3, 7, 11 and so on, 13. So if you divide 3 by 2, you get a remainder of 1. So that's why we call it an odd number. And in the opposite term, even numbers can be divided evenly by 2 without leaving a remainder, which means the remainder will be 0. For example, 2. If you divide 2 by 2, you get a remainder of 0. And the same case is with 4, 6, 8 and so on. Right now, here's a question: how can we just implement this in Python? Before doing that, first let's build our logic on how to do this or how to implement this into a program in Python. So the logic for odd numbers is that, for example, if we have a number, if we divide that number by 2, if we get a remainder of 0, then that is an even number. Okay, and our next logic is this, that if a number is divided by 2 and the remainder equals to 1, then we call it odd number. So this is our basic logic on how to implement odd or even numbers. Now we are here to implement this into Python. So for that is very easy. We need to ask the user to give us an input, any number, integer. So we use the function input in Python. Please enter a number. We ask the user to give us an input, a number. But as you all know that this input function returns a string, so we need an integer. So in order to convert a string to integer, we use the function int here. Just like this, very simple, very easy. And now we'll store this string, which is converted to int, into a variable called num. This is how simply we do this. So we have asked the user to enter a number, the user will enter a number. Now we'll check either that number is odd or even. So for that I will just write the code like this. I'll be using conditional statements. If num modulus 2 equals 0, print this is an even number. Okay, very simple. Else, if that number is even, so the else statement would be something like this: this is an odd number. Now let's just check, will it work or no for us. Now we'll just simply run this code. Yes, so here it is asked the user to enter a number. So I'm about to enter a number, for example 8, and let's check the output. This is an even number. And now we'll be checking an odd number. For example, please enter a number. I'll enter an odd number like 13. Let's check it. Yes, this is an odd number. So yes, thank you everyone for watching. That's it for today's video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and like this video, put a comment if you needed anything or any other stuffs regarding Python programming. I'm always here to help you guys with the stuffs you don't know. So stay tuned everyone for the next videos, and until then, happy coding.